Hello, we are in another topic. This particular content is on what we call Monkey Kola Leaf, Monkey Kola extract. Monkey Kola is known as Kola millennial. Kola millennial is the botanical name for it. In Igbo land, it is called achicha. You have a diagram of it. You have a picture of it here. It's a plant with potential nutritional values. It has vitamins, it has minerals, and it has medicinal benefit for poultry and livestock animals in general. It has vitamin A, it has vitamin B, it has vitamin C, vitamin K, and it has a lot of minerals like magnesium, potassium, and iron. All these minerals help to boost the immune structure of poultry and livestock animals. If this is your first time of coming across this particular platform, please make yourself a bona fide member by clicking the right button there so that you become a member of this global platform. So that anytime any of my video is released, you'll be among the first set of people that will get notified by the network and you will benefit from it. Right now, this is a very interesting topic because many of you don't know about this, but I'm going to introduce you and tell you more about it and how I'm going to make use of them in poultry and livestock animals so that you drop your zero tolerance to synthetic medications and at the same time focus on organic or natural poultry farming. Kola millennium is called Monkey Kola or achicha. I don't know how to describe it. The seed looks like that of bitter. It looks like kola nut. The seed looks like seed of kola nut, but it is covered by a very delicious coat that people eat the coat, and the seed is used for other purposes also. But here we are not talking about the seed. We are not talking about the fruit. We are talking about the leaf itself. Now the leaves have the following medicinal purposes. One, nutritional value of kola or monkey kola are rich in protein, fiber, carbohydrates, and at the same time can help to supplement most of the poultry and livestock feed. It helps to supplement the feed so that you spend less in feeding your poultry and livestock animals. It has vitamins also, like vitamin C, which is very important in boosting the immune structure, and vitamin A, which is also very good in supporting the immune system, the vision, and the overall health of your poultry and livestock animals. It has minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, manganese, and rest of them. All these minerals are essential for bone health, muscle, meat function, egg shell formation, and at the same time, health system of your poultry and livestock animals. It has a lot of medicinal values like anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant effects, which can also help in preventing diseases and promoting overall health of your poultry and livestock animals. Additionally, monkey cola is used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments both in human and animals. Here we are talking about the leaf, not the fruit. It helps in digestive health of the poultry and livestock animals because it is also believed to have digestive benefits, including promoting gut health and at the same time potentially helping to alleviate digestive issues in poultry and livestock animals. It also helps in immune support. Studies have found out that monkey kola leaf or kola millennium leaf helps to build immune structure of your poultry and livestock animal by boosting the effect, which can at the same time help the animals stay healthy and resist infections and diseases all the time. Now, what are the mineral and vitamin content of kola millennium or bitter kola or monkey kola leaves? Monkey kola leaves extract. One, it has calcium. Calcium is very important for bone formation, the egg shell formation, and the muscle function in poultry and livestock animals. The iron content of this particular leaf help in formation of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the blood. And at the same time, the magnesium contents also help in muscle function, nerve transmission, and at the same time, energy metabolism. It also has potassium. Potassium also helps in the fluid balance. It helps in the fluid balance of your poultry and livestock animals. It helps to support them, it helps to build their structure, and at the same time, it helps them to resist every sign of infection that will affect their health. Potassium helps in fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contraction, while zinc itself helps in wound healing and protein synthesis. Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B6 also work very well in overall health of your poultry animals. For vitamin A, it is very important for vision, immune function, and skin and health. It also has vitamin C, which is an antioxidant, which supports the immune system and help with the absorption of iron in the poultry and livestock animals. Vitamin E is an antioxidant which supports and protects the cells from being damaged and at the same time support the immune function of poultry and livestock animals also. It also has vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps to protect cells from being damaged and support immune function. Vitamin K is very essential for blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin B6 helps in the metabolism of amino acids and the production of red blood cells in poultry and livestock animals. The minerals and vitamins play a very important role in overall health and well-being of your poultry and livestock animals. But the exact content will be discussed in this particular video. Please don't skip any track. Make sure you watch the end so that you will know how to make use of the plant. Now, the medicinal content of Monkey Kola leaf to poultry. Monkey Kola or Kola millenii, the leaf are believed to have several potentials or medicinal properties that can benefit poultry and other livestock animals also. One is the antimicrobial properties as earlier stated. Kola millenii leaf are believed to have antimicrobial effects which can help poultry fight off bacterial, fungal, and viral infections. The anti-inflammatory effect compound found in monkey kola leaf helps to reduce inflammation in poultry, which can be beneficial in managing various health conditions in poultry and livestock animals. It has antioxidant properties, which helps in protecting the poultry from oxidative stress and to reduce the damage done by free radicals. The digestive health of the poultry and livestock animals are improved with this particular leaf. And the gut health also is also potentially improved, which also help to alleviate digestive and issues that are as a result of stress in poultry. It also helps to support their immune system and build up a very good structure for them to guide themselves from every fire and fight against diseases and infections. It has liver health, which is believed to make the liver healthy, including supporting liver function and potentially helping to detoxify the liver always. The monkey kola leaf have potential medicinal properties, which is very important for you to note, and it is also useful in both other four-legged animals and even aquaculture. How do you make use of this particular leaf and at what stage? Now, let me state it here, there is no age limit. You can use it in broilers, you can use it in turkey, you can use it in geese, you can use it in dog, you can use it in guinea fowl, you can use it in quail, you can use it in fish farming, you can also use it in broilers, noilers, and cockerels. How do you make use of it? Pluck 100 gram of this particular leaf, wash it properly well up to 2 or 3 times, and pound it or blend it. At the same time, extract the juice completely. Serve the juice in 10 liters of water to your poultry beds. This should be done between 5 to 7 days to boost the immune structure of your poultry and livestock animals and at the same time support their growth. If this is your first time coming across this channel, click the right button and make yourself a member of this particular group, and at the same time share this video to reach other farmers who are in need of it. Please watch the next content loading very soon. Till I come your way again with another interesting topic. Bye for now.